Hello everyone, my name is Bill Berquist. Let's go ahead and do Cengage, Microsoft Word, Module 3, End of Module, Project 1. Looks like it's a Northern Oregon University Foundation business letter with all kinds of elements on here. One thing you want to do whenever you're working with a new document, go through it. Okay, go through it, see what you're dealing with. Okay, I got a picture here. I got a couple of tables. I have a smart art image. So it looks like we're going to be doing lots of stuff to it. Alright, step number 1. As a development specialist at the Northern Oregon University Foundation, you are creating an information sheet to mail to prospective donors. On page 1, rotate the picture of the Foundation's logo to orient the text horizontally. Change the position of the picture to top left with square text wrapping. Alright, so I'm going to click my picture here, and we're going to rotate it. Whenever I click a different element, I get a different tab up here on the ribbon. If I go down here to a table, or a picture, I get another tab up there, or like in a table, and I get design and layout. Alright, that's called a context-sensitive ribbon. A context-sensitive ribbon. Okay, so let's get this thing rotated. I'm going to click it and go up here to Format. My Rotate button's way down towards the end. And flip horizontal. Flip vertical. There we go. Rotate 90 degrees. Alright, and now it's upright. Change the position of the picture to top left with square text wrapping. So with my picture selected, I'm going to go up here to Position. And position in top left with square text wrapping. Okay. That takes care of that step. I will save the file. I save it after each step. Number 2, replace the text insert bullet in the address line with a round filled bullet, symbol 183. So I'm going to click right up here. I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. Slowly delete that out. I'll go to my Home, Insert tab, Symbol, More Symbols, and it might take a second. There it is. A character code 183 from the ASCII decimal. Okay, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And there's my dot. Character code, type that in, 183. I've already done this exercise once, so the 183 is still sitting there. I'll click Insert and Close. And there it is. I'll save my file, and step number 2 is done. Number 3. Add a dotted bottom border to the address line paragraph. So I don't have to highlight it, just click anywhere in there. And I'll go to the Home tab. And my Borders button is in the Paragraph group. I'll hit my down pointing triangle. Go all the way down to Borders and Shading. Okay, let's see. Hint, the dotted style is the second option in the style list. Change the color of the border to green, accent 1. And 1.5 point for the size. And I'll click, if I click over here, it turns all the borders on and off. I just want a bottom border, so I'll click right there. I'll hit OK. And there we go. I'll hit Save. Number 4. On page 2, use the Format Painter to apply the formatting from the text Make a Gift, Change a Life to the text Northern Oregon University Foundation. Okay, so I want this phrase right here to look just like Make a Gift. So I'll click anywhere and Make a Gift. You don't have to highlight it. I'll click my Painter button and then drag it across that phrase, and now it looks like that. Common mistake number one that students make is they don't do the word the. They just do Northern Oregon University Foundation. You got to make sure the word the is included. Okay, I'll save the file. That completes number 4. Apply the brightness plus 20% plus 20% correction, or brightness plus 20%, contrast plus 20% correction to the picture of the students. Alright, so I'm going to click the picture. Remember, I get a whole new tab up here. It's a context-sensitive ribbon. I'll go over here to corrections, and I think it's way down here somewhere. Yeah, brightness plus 20%, contrast plus 20%. Okay, change the width of the picture to 5 inches. So format, the width will be 5 inches. Be careful, not the height, the width. There we go. Add the following alternative text description to the picture. So I'll click on Alt Text. If you don't see Alt Text up here, you can right click it, and there should be either an Alt Text, yeah, there it is, Edit Alt Text. What that is that's for somebody that has a physical disability, like if someone's legally blind, the document will read out loud what the picture describes. So we're going to type in group of 5 students walking on campus. And watch your spelling. Whoops, almost missed it there. There we go. Okay. And I'll close out of that. And I'll save the file. And number 5 is done. Number 6. Clear the formatting from the paragraph. Thank you for considering men's and women's athletics. So over here. You know, all this wacky formatting in here. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go to my Home tab, which I'm already there. And there's my clear formatting button right there on the ribbon. Very important to know your ribbon, especially when you're taking the certification exam. There we go, save the file. That completes number 6. Number 7. Add the linear Venn smart art in the blank paragraph after in the previous fiscal. So right here. We're going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Smart Art. And it's under Relationship. And way down here at the bottom, linear Venn. Used to show overlapping relationships in a sequence. Works best with level 1 text only. Hit OK. Okay, and I'm going to type these words in here. Again, watch your spelling. Businesses, alumni, friends, foundations. There we go. Step number 8. Resize the smart art graphic to a height of 2.3 inches. Very important right now. It looks like the whole thing's selected, but it's not. This circle is this one element is just selected. I'm going to click on the line between it, so no handles are on these. And I'll go to Format, Size, Height 2.3. That was height, right? Yes. And that'll adjust it and put it back to where it's supposed to be. Okay. Change the colors to Transparent Gradient Range Accent 1. So I'll go to my Design tab. Change colors. Accent 1. Transparent Gradient Range Accent 1. Change the Smart Art style to Intense Effect. My Smart Art style, right over here. Intense Effect. Top row, last one. I'll save my file. Number 9. On page 3, set a right align tab stop with a dotted leader of 5 1/4 inches for the paragraph gift designations. In other words, I want this 2020 to be way over here. with a right tab stop. You don't have to highlight anything. I'll go to my paragraph launcher button to bring up the paragraph settings dialog box. Go to the tabs button, and I want a 5 1/4, 5.25, right align tab stop with option leader number 2. That'll put dots between the tabs, and I'll click set. Hit OK, and that's done. I'll save my file. Number 10, insert a row at the end of GIF designations table. Easiest way, I'll click right here in the lower right corner of the table and hit tab. Yoink. Type in facilities, tab 15%. Looks good. Apply the list table 3 accent 5 table style to the table. Basically, I want this table to look like this table down here. So with the cursor anywhere in the table, go to design. Here are my table styles. I'll scroll down. There are my list tables, and it's right here. List table 3 accent 5. I'll save my file. Number 10 is complete. Number 11, flip the donate picture in your GIFs change life section to orient the text horizontally. So it's all backwards and upside down now. Let's see, format, rotate, flip horizontal, there we go. Change the text wrapping to square. Click my little button right here. And I think that's square. Wrapping is the way the text wraps around the text. Recolor the picture to green accent color 1 light. So click your picture, go up here to format if necessary, color, and green accent color 1 light right down here. There we go. That takes care of number 11. I'll save my file. Number 12, change the shape style of the President's Club shape to moderate effect. So President's Club, I'm going to click the outer edge. Moderate effect gold accent 6. So format, shape effects. On here. Oh, the shape style. Ooh, that's over here. Shape style. Moderate effects. Gold accent 6. I think that's it. Okay, looks good. Apply the shadow offset center shape effect from the shadow guide. Now I want shape effects. And then shadow, outer, and offset center. And don't just click things. Look around at everything, because on the certification test, you're not going to get these exact questions. So you kind of just look at them. There we go. That way you're familiar with them and you know kind of where they are. Okay, I'll save my file. Number 13. Use the format painter to apply the formatting of the scholarship shape to the fellowships shape. Okay, so fellowships needs to look just like scholarships. So I'll single click the outer edge of scholarships, go home, format painter, and then the outer edge of fellowships. There we go. I'll save my file, and I think I'm done. I'll go over here, and let's see if I got it. Desktop. Submit. And graded summary report. Oops, until I get 100. And I got 100. Woohoo! Okay. Alright, so there is Module 3, end of Module Project 1. Let me know if you need any help, and I'll see you next time.